set for a good one as two teams go head-to-head here at Eco-Light Stadium. This game really could go either way. Both squads are packed with talent and experience. Justin Marshall joins me here. Plenty to talk about heading into this game, Justin. Lomber to secure this. Pushes it on. Sends it flat. Natfield gets some speed up. He's been hit hard. And he bursts over and gets it down. Bunce grabs it out of the back. He's been hit hard. Wilson puts the pedal to the metal. It's not the best line out. In fact, it's lost. And looks like it will go into touch. One against the throw.
Their line-out has been a bit wobbly, and that one was no different.
Short pass. Bunce here, dangerous runner. Smith running for the line. And Eels takes it nicely.
It was a very good line-out.
Yep, totally agree. Delivers it short. Good offload. He's been hit hard. He scoots ahead. Lomber looking to score here. Passes delivered inside. Smith with a searching run. Delivers it back inside. Lomber running now at top speed. And he's got some support. On his way to the try line, he gets it done. A good pass to his support player. Excellent tackle there. Here comes the chase. The Roo. So the kickoff is made. Kickoff nicely taken in. Sends a good pass. Lomber scampers ahead. That's the 10-metre line. Brilliant that tackle. Still there, I think. Somehow he's managed to grab that back. There's some real force in this defence. Bunce has support. He's over halfway. On his way to the tack. That pass was fired very flat. Joubert here, dangerous runner. Marshall a little careful with that bouncing ball.
Yeah, he did an outstanding job to secure that catch. Read it beautifully.
The ball's being contested. Spencer looking for the try line. And the throw well contested.
They just need to tighten things up a bit.
Bunce, he's got away from a couple of them. That's halfway.
We're into the last few ticks of the clock now.
And he gets it over for his...
See his pace here. It is remarkable. No one could catch him. But it was a great pass that set him up.
No trouble really done. Ball's out here. Just a bit wayward on this occasion. Sends a good pass. Lomber not finished yet. He's nearly there. What?
Remaining now.
Spins it on. Shovels it on. Rokothoko finding top gear. Gets a favourable bounce, gets boot to it. What a try. Lovely tackle. Uma brushes the tackler aside. There's some real force in this defence. Scores! Real force in this defence. He's trying to turn it over quickly. Good run here. Breaks the first tackle. Rokothoko with a good burst of speed. Jones back to his feet quickly and wrestling for the ball. Campese shows his pace. Past the halfway line. Real chance here. Not able to kick it over, and play continues. He keeps the ball moving. Campese scampers ahead. He takes it past halfway. Real chance here. Shut down with a brutal tackle. Cullen has his sights on the corner. Big hit there. Struggling at scrum time. Turns it back on the inside. Campese, not finished yet. He's still going. He's got the centre. That'll be a penalty for holding on. They've earned the penalty.
You're right, Nisbo, and they won't be happy to have given it away like that.
Spencer taps, and here they go. And a good follow-up here from the left winger. And Eels dragged it down nicely.
Good clean line-out ball off the top.
Flicks a short pass. Cullen sprints away. Gets a favourable bounce, gets boot to it. He gets a double. Powerful defence. Gives it short. Marshall unable to hold him. Rokathoko with a good burst. And the supporters there. Real chance here. Here's the kickoff. Kickoff dragged down. Beautiful offload to keep it going. Spencer finds support. That'll knock the wind out of him. Lom gets to run a bit. And he's got support. Probing run towards the line. Sold the dummy. Smith unable to tackle effectively. The number 1 delivers it to a runner. Bunce brings it up to halfway. He will surely score. They've turned it. Marshall looks for options. No try is the call. Moves it on. Turns it back on the inside. Shovels it on. Rokathoko puts the pedal to the metal. Real chance here. The line-out claimed against the throw.
Their line-out has been a bit wobbly, and that one was no different.
Cullen picks it up. Quick delivery. He's been hit hard. Sends a good pass. Burke fails to put his man away. Uma crosses the halfway line. He's nearly there. What a run! Welcome to Pukekohe. We should have a good match between these two teams. Expect a close match here. Both squads stack up pretty evenly overall. And with me in the box, Justin Marshall. We should have a cracking game of rugby coming up, Justin.
Yeah, no doubt about it. The kickers will certainly be earning their keep with that wind.
Regan gets the ball away. Now looks for some support. On his way to the try line. There's some real force in this defence. This is big ground being made here. So hard and straight. There's some real force in this defence. Lommel. Oh, good run. Probing run towards the line. He's shaken up by that one. Campese with a good darting run. Heads for the corner. Probing run towards the line. Desperation dive at the... Takes in the kickoff. He's back to his feet quickly and wrestling for the ball. He's looking for support here. Spencer decides to run it and does well. On his way to the try line, Bunt. That's the ball out there. That's a lovely pass. He gets those legs pumping. Cullen have stolen this. Edwards off the back. Henson is chasing after this. And that's a good burst. Brook charging through. Big run. Campisi under the high ball and well taken. Brook feeds it on. Cullen with a good burst. On his way to the try line. And it looks like this will go over. Now he gets the ball away. Now the kick and chase. The Tornadoes chasing well. Michala kicks off. Joubert takes in the kickoff.
Did well though, didn't he? It was a very good catch under pressure.
Real chance.
Last few plays of the match.
He pops the pass nicely. Can't hang on to it. Wilson continues over halfway. Gets inside 10 metres. Who's have stolen this. Flicks a short pass. Cullen running now at top speed. Uman there in support. On his way to the try line. And that's his third. Quick delivery. He's going to have a drop kick. The throw well contested.
Yes, they've been really weak in the line-out. Has to be said, there's been some really solid performances.
Couldn't agree more. That's a decent kick. Now the kick, sailing towards...
And then no one could catch him. Simply too fast.
Yep, I agree. And a pretty useful kick here.